Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send gifts on Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. After you are inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You will see this kind of interface after you are logged in. If you don't have any account, you can easily create your account first. Now, in order to send gifts, you need to go to the gift center. So here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down and find the gift center option. Here you can see gift center. Tap on it. Once you're in the gift center, here you can see send gifts option. Tap on it. In order to send gifts, you must have already added few friends before. So when you have friends, it will show up over here. And you can choose the friend who you want to send gifts to. So that's it. That's how you can send gifts to your friends on Bingo Blitz app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.